Welcome to this tutorial. How to change the subject line of a reply in Gmail. Open your web browser and visit on Gmail webpage. Click on the Sign In button at the top right. Type your email in the text field and click on the Next button. Enter your Google account password and click on the Next button. Open an email message that you want to change the subject line. On the right side, click on the reply icon. Click on the 3 horizontal dots of the More options to open the email. Click on the down arrow icon next to the reply button. From the drop-down list, click on the Edit Subject option. Select the existing subject line and type the new subject line. Write the message in the email body and click on the Send button at the bottom. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.